Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Hope all well. Welcome to White Media. Non-saving culture in Pakistan, challenges and potential solutions. A non-saving culture is prevalent in Pakistan where a significant portion of the population's lack the habit of saving money for future need or emergencies. This phenomenon poses several challenges to individuals, families, and the overall economy. This paper explored the reasons behind the non-saving culture in Pakistan, its implications and potential solutions to encourage a culture of saving. Culture and socio-economic factors. Consumerism culture. There is a prevalent culture of consumerism in Pakistan, where individuals prioritize immediate gratifications over long-term financial planning. Lack of financial literacy. Many Pakistani lack basic financial literacy, including knowledge about saving, investment, and budgeting, which hinder their ability to save effectively. Socio-economic pressure. Low-income households often face socio-economic pressure such as high inflation rate, limited income opportunities, and family obligations, which make saving challenging. Trust and confidence in financial institutions. Informal saving practice. Due to a lack of trust in formal financial institutions, many Pakistani resort to informal saving practice such as a saving at home or investing in informal saving schemes. Limited access to banking services. Rural areas, low-income communities often lack access to formal banking services, making it difficult for individuals to open saving account or access financial product. Implementation of non-saving culture. Vulnerability to financial shock. Without saving, individuals are more vulnerable to financial shocks such as medical emergencies, job losses, or natural disasters, which can push them up deeper into poverty. Limited investment in education and health care. Non-saving culture hamper investment in education and health care, leading to lower human capital development and productivity level. Economic instability. A high level of non-saving culture contributes to economic instability and hamper long-term economic growth and development. Thank you.